again, it's a benefit being extended. Not he doesn't have to pay anything, doesn't have to buy anything. The Andrew Holness administration, under Prime Minister Andrew Holness, he said to me as minister, go out as the Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, get shops back up where people can buy stuff, and later on, if the government has other stuff that they're going to do, they'll probably work through many of these community shops. So, Junior, what does this mean to you?
Well, first I must say thanks to the ministry, because there's a lot of people who in this community who depends on me for a certain house and grocery for their home. So what he has done for me, people who worked out and get in like after 8, after 9, they would be able to get service at the shop because we got light. We appreciate it so much that you would even know how much I feel this afternoon. But at first I must say thanks to all of you guys who make this possible. Mr. Ross, all heap of respect, yeah? Yeah, man. Sinclair, enough respect, sir. Ministry, all heap of respect.
Good to see you.
The Prime Minister and Dr. Chang on behalf,
everybody.
Every time.
Thank you very much.
Thank
and
you very
certainly
much, sir.
The Andrew Holness administration.
Yeah, man.